long time no see. I asked you guys on Instagram and a bunch of you said that you were interested in seeing day in my life, week in my life vlogs. So I thought I would start with a kind of get my life together Sunday day in the life. So I'll be taking you around the house as I do cleaning and just getting prepped for the week, a little bit of grocery shopping, that type of thing. If you haven't followed me on Instagram or you don't know what's going on in my life since the last video I posted, which was over a year ago, we did move into a house. So King now has a backyard that he loves to run around in, and he's doing great. He's really settled in. He was doing well in the condo, but he has just really come out of his shell once we've been in the house and he's gotten to be in the backyard. So that is awesome. I've got my cup of coffee here. I'm gonna sit down and make my list of things that I need to get done today, and then yeah, I'll bring you along with me. Good morning. You wanna go outside? Okay, so I just folded some laundry. Eric made a fresh pot of coffee. So we're gonna go through our list together and kind of see what we can check off today and what needs to be done. I did want to preemptively answer some questions that might come up about King, just like based on things that we've learned about him in the like year and a half or so that we've had him. So you might notice in some of the clips that he limps or he doesn't put weight on one of his back legs. He doesn't do this all the time, but he is missing a toe on that leg. It was amputated when we got him. And so he does have pain in that leg because it was one of his weight-bearing toes. So he's a little bit of arthritis. So sometimes he limps, and we've worked with the vet to make sure that we are managing his pain and that his arthritis is taken care of, but it is just something that you might see. It's okay, he's fine. He just does have a little bit of pain there that he deals with. Second thing is that he does eat from raised feeding bowls. When we first got him, we didn't want him to eat from raised feeding bowls because we had heard that that could be difficult and could contribute to bloat in dogs. And so we had him eating from the ground, but kind of the longer we had him, he started to have stomach issues, and he was throwing up his food after he ate and just like eating too fast. And so we now have his bowls raised, and it's pretty much gotten rid of his problem of like throwing up his kibble immediately after he eats, and that was something that we worked with our vet on. So everything that we're doing has been approved by our vet and is safe for our dog, but I just wanted to give that heads up in case there are any questions about it. If you have any questions about King as a dog, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. Okay, so we're making good progress. I tidied up the bathroom, we did the bedroom, like made the bed, got our clothes put away, dusted. That room gets really dog hairy because we don't sweep it as often as we sweep the living room because we hang out in there more often, but it's where King obviously sleeps, and so we get dog hair like everywhere. So whenever we sweep the bedroom, the pile is massive. What's left is to clean the kitchen. We've got laundry going, and then we are going to go out in the middle of the day to get some groceries, and there's a couple things that I want to pick up at the mall. So I managed to convince Eric that we should go for brunch. We're going to Monks and Jonesy because we really like their food, and I looked on their Instagram and they have a breakfast charcuterie board that looks incredible. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to hit the mall, I think, and then we're gonna go to that new grocery store. We are now back at home. Brunch at Monks and Jonesy was super good. I had the charcuterie board and Eric had parts of it because he got chicken and waffles, but the charcuterie board was like too big for us not to split at least some of, but it was so good. Really enjoyed it. It was delicious. It was everything I wanted, and I love that I got to have like a little bit of everything because I struggle when I go to brunch to be like, do I want sweet? Do I want salty? Like, do I want tater tots? Do I want eggs Benny? All of the above. I want it all, and I got it. We also, when we went to the mall, I was just picking up some basics. Like I got a belt and some stuff from Aerie. And then we also went to Toys R Us. We have 2 new nephews coming later this year, one probably within the month. So we picked up a couple of presents for them. So we gotta get one of those ready and in the mail. And then we did go to the new grocery store. It's literally like just a fruits and vegetable store. So it was really interesting. They definitely had good deals. I'll show you what we got. We got all this for like $18. So I think overall, definitely good prices on produce, especially like in Atlantic Canada. So we got a bag of avocados, 2 of these things of grapes, bananas, a cantaloupe. These are a couple of like small red grapefruit, a bag of carrots, and 2 peppers. So all in all, that's pretty good, especially when you consider the 2 things of grapes, because grapes are always really, really expensive here on the East Coast, especially in comparison. Like when I lived in Ontario, you could get them on sale for cheap, but I find they never go on sale as cheap as they were in Ontario here. I ended up having just like a really chill afternoon after we got home from being out. I was gonna watch WandaVision, and then my computer needed an update, and it's been doing that ever since. So that was, I don't know, like 5 hours ago. Having a great time with that. Hopefully you'll see this video, and that means that my computer is fixed. I got King a new coat. King? King, do you like your new coat? Hi. Do you like your new coat, sweet boy? It matches you. It's white and fluffy.
He's not fluffy.
No, not really.
It's toned. Sometimes.
And then I took him out for a little walk. When I got back, I did just a little bit of meal prep. Eric and I are both working from home right now. So we make our lunch every day. So we're gonna have like burrito bowls this week. So I made some ground turkey with taco seasoning that I get from the Budget Bites blog. I will leave a link to that down below. So yeah, so the ground turkey's made, and I'm just gonna rinse and prep this can of black beans to have, and then we've got like romaine lettuce and cheese and sour cream and salsa in the fridge to have with it as well. So I think that that'll be a good lunch for the week. Found out that I get to pick up my planks that I'm using to build my table tomorrow. So we are going to, as our last task of our very productive Sunday, we're gonna clean out the garage to make sure that I have room to work in so that I can start building that tomorrow night. And hopefully, if all goes to plan, we should be able to use it by the weekend, which I'm super, super excited about. So come along down to the garage. It's disgusting. Okay, that is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this day in the life, get shit done day. If you want to see more future vlogs, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and like this video if you liked it. It means a lot to me. I love seeing likes and comments. So see you next time. Bye.